Katakana words may look familiar to English speakers, but they're pronounced using strict Japanese sound rules. If you pronounce them like English, they will sound unnatural or incorrect. In this video, we'll focus only on how katakana sounds are actually formed and pronounced, using clear patterns and multiple examples. First, remember one core rule. Katakana does not introduce new sounds. Every katakana sound follows the same pronunciation system as hiragana. What changes is how foreign words are reshaped to fit Japanese structure. Japanese is built on simple consonant-vowel units. Consonants cannot stand alone, and consonant clusters are not allowed. Because of this, English words are broken apart and rebuilt using Japanese syllables. For example, club becomes kurabu, glass becomes gurasu, train becomes torein. Extra vowels are added so every consonant fits the Japanese rhythm. This is not optional. It is required by the language. Next, katakana words often end in vowels, even when the English word ends in a consonant. For example, bus becomes basu, desk becomes desku. The added vowel makes the word pronounceable in Japanese. You must pronounce it clearly. Now, let's talk about long vowels. In katakana, long vowels are written using the long vowel mark. This mark changes the sound and must always be pronounced. For example, coffee, cheese, cake. Each long vowel is held slightly longer, but without stress or emphasis. Shortening these vowels changes the word. Another important point is stress. English words rely heavily on stress, but Japanese does not. Katakana words are pronounced evenly, with no strong or weak syllables. For example, camera, terebi, hotel. Each part is spoken smoothly and evenly. Adding English-style stress makes the word sound foreign. Now let's look at sound replacement. Many English sounds do not exist in Japanese and are replaced with a closest Japanese sound. The English L and R become the same sound. Light becomes raito. Road becomes rodo. The English V is usually replaced with bashing sounds in standard usage. Video becomes video. Van becomes ban. The English TH does not exist and is replaced with sagyo or zagyo sounds. Thank you becomes sankyu. These replacements follow patterns and are not random. Now, let's talk about double consonants. Katakana uses small th to show a brief pause before the next consonant, just like hiragana. For example, betto, baku, chiketto. There is a short stop before the next sound. Skipping this pause changes the pronunciation. Another key point is that katakana words are pronounced exactly as written. There are no silent letters. For example, in chocolate, every character contributes to the sound. In ice cream, all vowels are pronounced. These rules won't let you guess every katakana word perfectly, but they will help you read and pronounce katakana naturally when you see it. Finally, remember this guiding rule. Katakana pronunciation follows Japanese rules first, not English logic. If you read what you see, pronounce each syllable evenly, respect long vowels and pauses, and avoid English stress, your katakana pronunciation will sound natural. In later videos, we'll practice these rules through listening and comparison. For now, Focus on recognizing these patterns and applying them consistently.